In this problem, you have to calculate what percent of rectangle is not shaded. To solve this, first we have to find the area of individual shapes first. Therefore, the area of this inner circle is going to be pi multiply r is 3 square is equals to 9 pi. Now let's find out the area of this rectangle. As we know that the side length of this rectangle is 11, now we have to find this side length. As we can see, this is the radius of this circle, which is 3, and this is also the radius, this is 3, and 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Therefore, this side length is going to be 6. Therefore, the area of this rectangle is going to be 11 multiply 6 equals to 66. Now, to find the percent of rectangle is not shaded, the only thing we need to do is divide the area of the circle, which is 9 pi, divide by the area of this rectangle, which is 66, and multiply by 100. So this comes around 43%. So this is our answer.